Hey guys, this is here from myhexable.com and today's topic is REST API with data binding. I think I covered plenty enough of data binding in my previous post, but there is one thing remaining, like all the stuff that you benefit from, and all the file view by IDs and binding adapters. This post today is about this, like the way you think and the way you write your application with it. So what we have today is a list of latest movies which I fetch with the TMDB, and this is just a small part of the data for a movie. And with the data binding you start think for the model. For example, first thing that you create is a model, which is a movie in here, which I made parsable to pass it to the next activity, and I have like those 6 fields, and that's where you start. So for example, we know that we want this grid of movies in the main activity, and this is a recycler view with the grid layout manager. Yeah, we start creating layouts like this main activity with the fragment in here. Fragment is the recycler view. Yeah, and then we just go to the item, list item layout, and just create this image. And then you just pass the movie model in here, and you can set it right in here, like using some of the binding adapters. Yeah, like this. So you build a layout and you set it right in here, and you're done with the layout. You just go to the Java classes, and yeah, for example, let's see where we fetch the list of movies. Yeah, we do it in here. Fetch movies with the retrofit library, and in response we get a list of movies, and we just set it, and that's it. Yeah, and in adapter we have it in onBind view holder. You just set movie in here, but the reason I have this chain, the glide chain, is because I extract color using Palette API, just to make it look better, like this background. Yeah, but if you don't want to extract the color, you could just make this one line, and that's it, and your adapter would look something like this. Yeah, if you want to see my post about Palette API, if you haven't checked it, here you go. That's the one. Really cool stuff. Yeah, so we pass the movie object to the next activity in onClick listener in here, because it's parsable. And let's see what we have in details activity. Yeah, so and then we just build the details activity layout. You just make the whole thing. You just add the data model again, and here you go. This is that's where you set it. Image URL, backdrop for poster, text for title, that's the votes, and description. And yeah, you're done with layout. You just don't need to come back there. And the details is super simple. You just get it from the intent and set movie, and that's it. We don't need to. Those methods are just for positioning the poster. Yeah, so I think that's the biggest advantage of the data binding. You just write layout, you go to your layout, you write everything in here, you set your views. Yeah, and prior to that, of course, you created your model. You set everything in here, you're done, close it, go to activity, and set your model. That's it, super simple, and yeah, you should try it by yourself too. Does it help you to develop faster or no? Alright, thanks for watching.